That's the one. Yep. Alrighty. Where is my headphones? What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream. NFP is taken off. We've got candle closures and literally different area codes on all assets. Sort of back in sync now. We have a Wednesday to Thursday low taken. That doesn't convince me. We're going to have a few more lower pricing. Hey, Jacob. Let's have a look.
Zilla.
What up? What up?
NFP come out yet?
It came out, bro. It came out. All that's a turn bullish. At a bullish candle.
Looks pretty weak.
That wasn't too bad. It was a very clean candle. Finally a clean candle, you know. Like, I've been waiting for NFP to actually print a clean candle with not too much manipulation. This music's good, FPF. I'm vibing it. It's good. Oh wait, you're hearing the music twice again? Okay. Sazo, sorry. All good. You won't hear it now. All good. I got loudspeakers. Jake. Oh well, I got speakers that are too nosy. They listen in.
Yeah, that's interesting. Normally, I don't hear the music on the StreamYard link. I hear the music today.
What did you just say?
No, but normally you don't hear the music from the StreamYard link that he sends in the Discord. You only hear it on YouTube.
Oh, dude, I hear it on the link as well.
Oh, normally I don't hear it. My bad.
Yeah, I hear it all. But yeah, Rock, you can take away what you're looking at of the day. I mean,
oh yeah, bro.
Yesterday I was bullish, but obviously, as you've seen yesterday, the assets were all just doing different things. I mean, ES and MQ, I was very surprised. But hey.
Oh yeah, the chip sector took a hit yesterday, bro. If you saw like MU was down, look, it's still down 10%.
Mm-hmm. What are you eating, bro?
Is it loud? My bad. I back up.
No. What you eating? Because everybody's saying you're eating something good.
Oh, it's just breakfast, guys. I had some was it cinnamon toast?
Oh damn, that's nice. It sounds good.
Cinnamon toast and a glass of water.
Cinnamon
Can't forget
toast.
the butter, all right? Throw some
You're gonna
butter.
share it with the chat, Rock. They can hear everything.
But yeah, bro, the chip sector was completely destroyed yesterday, so Nasdaq refused to go higher. But then if you look
Okay.
at the S&P, the Nasdaq struggled. S&P was ripping yesterday. Their sector didn't have much trouble. So
Oh, true.
when you look at today, man, personally, if I'm looking at the power of three for the week, you got Monday was bullish, went
So you
higher.
do RTY. You can do RTY. Or...
They should be side by side, right? Yeah, you got RTY,
Okay, you don't.
ES. Monday was bullish, went it higher. Tuesday. Wait, why is it? Oh, my bad. I'm tripping. That's the week daily here. Monday was the 22nd, right? No, Monday was the 29th. All right, yeah. So you see Monday was pushing for higher. We tapped that weekly open, goes higher. Tuesday higher. Wednesday puts in this high here, sweeps all-time highs on the Russell. And then now you're starting to see a little hesitation. I'm hoping that this Wednesday high could start to turn. But it's a short week, right? So today could still be like an inside type of day where we just hang out at this area. Maybe next week turns over. Same on ES, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They all pushed higher. And now I'm hoping that we could trade lower, but it's Thursday. NFP was bearish data from what I saw. Let's take a look at it actually. We had here it is right here. July 2nd. Copy. Paste. All right. So how do you look at this data here? We have unemployment rate came in lower than expected. So that's slightly good for the US dollar. All right. We have the payrolls came in way under expectation, which is bad. These are things you need to consider when you're thinking about rate hikes and interest for the FOMC type of days, right? So with this being way under expectation, this is going to increase the likelihood of a rate hike. And we don't want to see a rate hike, but this almost certainly reduces the idea of a rate cut as well. So things like this will either keep the interest rates the same or raise them, which is going to be bad for our indices like the NASDAQ, SPY, all that, right? So the jobless claims came in a little less than expectations, so that's pretty decent. Average earnings, same. Private payrolls, way less. What else? That's pretty much the gist of it, right? So I would say that this data was pretty weak, and this is the type of stuff that leads to a weaker market. So when you see the market rally off of that type of news, that looks like manipulation to me, where you saw 830 candle. So get NASDAQ versus RTY here. When you saw that NASDAQ candle push higher at 830, that right there looks like scam activity. And look what happens. Immediately sells back lower. So this looks like it's just generating this LR, this low resistance here. And price, if you ask me, I would anticipate price to push back towards these before continuing towards, new highs and things of that nature. So that's my fundamental outlook on things. And then you have your technicals, bro. We have this high up here, beautiful order block being tapped into at the previous weekly high, and it's holding. So that's a good sign for what I'm looking for. See if this holds. I would definitely short from up there. Looking at NASDAQ, go to the hourly, maybe even like a 2 hour. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful tap into this failed attempt to go higher from Wednesday. Beautiful rejection off of it. A few more order blocks up there. If price, you saw the rejection yesterday. This is PM's candle that held up nicely. Nice tap into it. And then if you drop lower, maybe you'll get like a little more precise, but that's the gist of it. Yeah, you see this bearish candle here. I'm at bearish order block here. Failed attempt to go higher. Beautiful. Well, actually, beautiful. Right, so what do we have down here that could support price? We have this 5 a.m. order block, failed attempt to go lower. This could hold up. And that's pretty much the playing field right now for the NASDAQ. It's in bearish territory. If you're trading pre-market and you trade the way I trade, you probably find a short off of this level and you're in profits right now. Maybe one day I should try pre-market, but maybe never. Maybe never. But ES, yeah, ES is the stronger one. So if you're looking for shorts, you want to make sure that the stronger one is actually showing weakness as well, so you don't get caught up in some FPF lower. So look at that. Beautiful order block at the high. Taps into it, sells back. You have these order blocks down here. Same thing, 5 a.m. OB. Beautiful in sync as well, meaning that it's on both NASDAQ and ES. That should come in handy. This order block here will tell us a lot. And this OB up here from the 30-minute chart is giving you a beautiful sell-off, tapping into this gap. But as I mentioned, I'm not really a gap guy. I'm an order block guy. So if anything, there's this 15-minute order block next to that gap that could come into play here. Bring that up into the picture. 15-minute here. Yeah, bring that up into the picture. But as you can see, your sell-off from that higher time frame order block, that's a really good sign. Now, what I would do is just simply wait for the market to open and see how these levels play out. I think that's about it. Let me look around on the weekly here, see if there's any targets. So yeah, this weekly candle has no wick on the bottom. And we're pushing back into this previous weekly open price and rejecting it. I would love to see price trade lower, man. Stop. You see the accumulation going on here. We tapped into this weekly gap, failed to continue higher. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, but I wouldn't expect too much on a short week. Maybe this closes as an inside body here, and then next week maybe we get a breakout lower or higher, depending on where it wants to go. Right. ES weekly chart. Right, look at that. Even though we see all this bullishness on ES, we're still sitting inside of this bearish gap. We're still respecting this failed attempt to go higher here. This looks like exhaustion, if you ask me, but it also can be accumulation. So you can't really say definitely that this is going to go lower right now. But it doesn't look like it wants higher. Boom, boom. 4-hour chart. Have we swept anything on the 4-hour? Yeah, so we're sweeping a lot of buy side here with this 6 a.m. candle. I would love to see lower, but based on how this week has been going, man, this week has been wanting higher. So that's where it's like, you don't want to get too technical, because it just seems like these charts are slowly grinding higher with no intent for lower. So if the market wants to leave those lows for a different week, it could do that. It could slowly just continue grinding. And that's why I have my bullish areas as long as my bearish areas. If these areas continue to hold, for example, yesterday, the buy trade I took yesterday was literally the same concept, right? Where if you look at yesterday's session, what happens? We had this overnight order block that just refused to break. Price drives into it, maintains it at the open. I'm looking for longs. It's not that hard. There was no real bearish roadblocks until maybe this order block here. So you can buy it up into that. We get past that order block and you have this one. And then that's it, right? You take your profit, you walk away. What happens? Price sweeps this high and completely stops. And then what do you notice? What do you notice, right? Price pushes right back into the same order block the next overnight session and holds it once, twice, makes a new high. Now we're tapping into this area. It looks like the buyers are in control. It looks like something like this, right? Like it just would continue to go up to that weekly high. So if that's the case, what do? You look for the next pullback to hold. If that works out, I'll be taking another buy trade from a discounted order block. If these start to fail, then obviously you got a lot of sell side waiting for you to target it. And that's it, man. That is it. You just got to have a good idea of where the market is refusing to go. That's typically what gives me my bias. I used to look for where is it trying to go, but nowadays it's just much easier to say where is it refusing to go, and then let those areas give you your setup. Don't chase it, right? Like if you can't get an entry down in these order block areas, don't buy it in the middle of the range, because what happens is you get hit with random pullbacks. Whereas the safer area is going to be at the extremes, right? Goes back to trading one-on-one, guys. Like you want to buy low and you want to sell high. Anything in between, you're just making your life more difficult. So that's what we'll be doing today and every day, right? You see price, it's going to work its way right back into one of these extremes.
A quick question for LC out here. He just asked, can he make 2.6K in a trade?
You said 2.6K in a trade?
Yeah.
On what, a 50K account?
On a what is the LC? Is it a 50K account that you want to make 2.6K in one trade? Is it the Tradeify one?
If it's a 50K account,
yep, it's 50K confirmed.
The most I make per trade on a 50K is 1.5K. Maybe 2K, but not 2.6. So it's not possible. It's not that it's not possible. I don't hold my trades too long, bro. I go for 1.5 RR or 2R maximum.
It's all good. I'm trolling. There was a Tradeify email that came through to everybody that we all got paid at 2.6K.
Oh.
And we've all been waiting.
It was a scam. I remember that. Yeah.
Yep, we've all been waiting for our 2.6K still. It's just never come. Yeah. Nah, good analyzing there, bro. Top job.
And I've been using your TPD too, bro.
Okay, show me.
So where was it yesterday, right?
Check. I want you to check yesterday at 9:35 on a 5-minute chart.
9:35.
Check out ES and then NQ.
Oh, that was today. I'm tripping. All right, 9:35.
You'll like it, and usually you'll see like a consolidation above.
The bottom, right? on
Bottom.
ES.
Yes, and now basically what I want you to do when you're on that chart there on the 5 minute, mark out the wick of the candle as a PD array, like something you can use to enter off.
All right, 9:35 candle.
See the wick of the candle.
Yeah.
You mark that out.
What's so special about the 9:35 candle? It's the low.
No, so you don't need to go that far. Now you go to the minute time frame. Make sure you come back to it. You'll see. Okay. Now, see in candle 2, there's that last down close candle of candle 2. This is what we would call our reversion level.
Last down close candle here at 9:35 or
Yes.
okay.
And which chart is this? Is this MNQ?
Yeah, Nasdaq's to the left.
Is that wick? The wick. Look at the wick, bro. Taps it, and it just shoots off. Okay,
But what makes the 5 minute candle important enough to zoom down on? What's the catch
so
there?
this is the entry of a 5 minute TPD. It's a time frame.
There you go. Okay,
Now,
5 minute TPD.
basically, you get a minute reversion level, and now within that minute reversion level, you will see a original consolidation above with a Jacob special LP target.
5 minute reversion. Yep, there it is. I mean, not
No,
5
no,
minute reversion. 5 minute TPD.
It's a 5 minute TPD with the 1
And
minute
then
reversion.
1 minute inversion. I
No,
got
no.
you.
You have 5 minute TPD with a 1 minute reversion level.
Yep. And that's gonna take place from your 9:48 to 10:02, right?
This is 9:35, so basically you'll have them 5 1 minute candles within the first half or second half. You want to see a change in state of delivery.
And what time should you expect the 5 minute TPD to be effective?
As soon as it opens on candle 3.
I mean, like, you're just looking for 5 minute TPDs all day, or you're waiting for a certain macro?
At a certain time. Around that time, it's useful. When it's higher volatility, I use them here. 9:35, 9:40, 9:45, around there, I will use them. Other than that, you can have your 15-minute TPDs, 9:15, 9:30, and then if you don't have a 9:15 or 9:30 15-minute TPD, you can look at your hourlies. So if you got of course, your 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. They're your working TPDs. So working TPDs are to do with time, and that's the only time you use them from the teaching. Other than that, you got a 4-hour TPD. What can happen at 2 a.m.
Oh yeah, see, that's the one I was using, bro. That's the only one I've been using though.
Yeah.
Just that 6 a.m. candle close. If it closes with a TPD
model sometimes. That's why.
Yeah, that was pretty clutch yesterday. It was that 4-hour TPD from here. Yeah, it was an easy TPD, and I was like, all right, it looks like Nasdaq is just weak for whatever reason yesterday, right? It was here, this 6 a.m. candle, because I'm only trading after 10 a.m. So
yeah,
so that's why I was like, that TPD could probably come in handy if I saw it. And you see it here, clear as day. This 6 a.m. candle closes bearish, ES closes bullish, and then as soon as I saw ES fail to go bearish and match Nasdaq, I'm like, all right, ES wants higher, buy ES. Nasdaq was in its own world yesterday though, so
and well for sure.
So you're saying when you have a TPD, you're looking at the wick of the TPD for a
A change in state of delivery, pretty much, on a lower time frame.
All right, so this one's bearish, so it'll be the top wick of a bearish candle.
Depends which way your bias is. You know what I mean?
This one was clearly bullish, so it would be
you're
the
gonna have
bottom wick.
a reversal TPD and a continuation TPD.
For continuation, you're looking at
your bullish, so just mark that out. Yeah,
the same side of it, right? For both, no matter what color the candle is.
you mark you were bullish, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mark the top of it out up. Yeah.
Oh, the top. Okay.
Yeah. Just do ES. It'll be easier.
I have a habit, bro. I have to do both. That way I know.
No. The middle candle. The middle candle. You want the middle candle before.
The middle candle?
Yeah. See the pin? Yeah. The one.
This one?
On ES.
Yeah.
That middle candle.
Bro, I thought TPD meant the current candle that closes different. I guess there's two. There's two
PSP
TPDs.
or PC. So that would be a PC. PC is the precision candle. PSP is the precision swing point. So on ES, that second candle in the middle is a precision swing point, while the up close candle becomes a PC precision candle.
But which one is just a TPD?
The TPDs from candle 1 to candle 3. So you would use the 2 a.m. Candle,
Mm-hmm.
and the close of the candle beside it, and the open of the candle at 6 a.m.
Right. Yeah. So it'll be 2 a.m. in the middle, 6 a.m. closes, and you're saying which one of the two are the TPD candle? Number 3, right?
Candle 1 to candle 3.
Oh, never mind. I was not using your concept then. I thought I was.
You're using PSP or PC.
I was just literally, bro. I was looking at the basically like a SMT closure where one closes bearish, the other closes bullish.
Yeah. Pretty much a precision swing point candle. This is what they call PSP.
Okay.
PSP or PC. So PC is a precision candle. If it's not a swing point, it becomes the PC candle. If it's a swing point, PSP. But same. Yeah.
But you treat all those differently?
We do have a PSP involved with it. So
is your entry model completely different for each one of those candles, or is it the same?
For a 4-hour, an hourly chart, and you'll notice on candle 2 it should have a change in state of delivery on both assets, even though they were basically total opposite. So basically you see that, I mean, it did wick down a lot, but the candle 2 on ES would have been them down close candles.
Yeah, this was a terrible example then, huh?
It is because of what price was doing yesterday, for sure.
Bro, but it's funny because in my brain it made complete sense, and that's funny.
It can make sense that way.
Because I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I thought you were saying like a TPD meant just a simple SMT closure where you see one candle close one way and the other one doesn't. I wasn't paying attention to any other candle next to it.
It's a part of it, and it's usually a part of it 90% of the time.
Okay.
But we don't need it, but it is a part of it, yes.
Okay. Literally, okay. All I did was this, bro. This is what I did. I said, where did ES close through? It closed through that 2 a.m. candle. Where did NASDAQ close through? It closed through the bottom of that 2 a.m. candle. So if we're bearish, I'm thinking that NASDAQ will continue to stay underneath here, go lower, and then ES will join the party and go lower underneath that level. But and if we're bullish, NASDAQ will get above it. All right. That's all I was thinking. So when I went down to the 5 minute, all I did was wait for.
Yep. If you actually go to today's price action, the TPD is a bit more accurate. So if you look at the 2 a.m.
yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Have a look at the 2 a.m. candle, but it's between YM. Okay, YM and NQ today.
Okay, let's take a look. 4 hour. Yeah, I may actually have to try and learn the TPD completely because I completely thought I was.
Focus on M and Q. It is with YM, the TPD, but you don't really need to bring it up. I just want to show if you do. Yeah.
Why not? There you go.
There you go. Okay, cool. 2 a.m. So look at 2 a.m., right?
Yeah.
Now you see that candle there. Get a box and mark out the wick from YM and also mark the wick out on NQ. Jump down to the hourly time frame. The top. So the bullish.
Oh, the top. Okay.
Doesn't matter. You just do it there. That's fine. Perfect. Doesn't matter. Just leave it.
It's gonna take 2 seconds. We're good.
Delivery on both assets. When you mark that out, that's all.
It's gonna be a change in the state through that area.
Yeah, on the hourly, and you'll see it on YM, the more stronger asset to the upside. You'll see it on YM straight away.
All right, changing the state through this area. Cool. Now what?
Look at YM, consecutive candles, changing the state, bang.
Now what?
There you go. That's where you enter off.
You enter off the hourly close through the wick with a change in the state.
Last down close candle if you want. Up to you. But you can even see how NQ reacted to the last down close candle over there. See that last down close?
Where do you put your stop? All the way at the bottom?
No, so hey, FPF, put my charts up.
Let's go. We got a 1R with a 352 point stop.
Okay, so that's the TPD there. I just mark that and then I find the last down close candle. So your entry actually comes right over here. Right? Okay, and on YM, it closes above. The candle 2 comes in. You probably wouldn't have gotten entry because it would have shut off by then, but usually you can enter off there or the consecutive change in state. That's what I was saying. But you see how
you don't enter on the closure. You wait for a pullback.
Well, yeah. Say okay. 1 second. Let's just go here fully. On the 4 hour. Basically, where does it start from? 6 p.m. Six, 7, 8, 9. We have a 4 hour 1 second. Yeah. All right, there you go, Rock.
Okay.
That's all I'm trying to show you. So that's your candle 1. Right. In candle 2, what you want to see is you want to see a change in state in the second half of candle 2 for a TPD to be valid. So we just go by the 1 down close candle, so that validates it already. And then you wait for candle 3, and all I was saying is you could enter off the consecutive down close candles over here
Oh,
with the, or if you want a better risk reward, you can enter from here, but you may not get the entries.
definitely enter from the first. If this is the strategy, yeah, I'm entering from the first, changing the state.
But
But I,
sometimes, for example, the candle may not close above that, so you could expect it to come back here and then pull up. But that's all a TPD is, yeah. So by the second half, you want to see the change in state of delivery or up, like a candle that closes above a down close. Okay,
yeah.
if that makes sense now. But cool, bro. We got 9:30 open, so it'll be interesting to see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see, bro. I'm thinking we're gonna just keep slow.
Well, I got my Wednesday high already marked out there, but my issue here is if I pull up this and I go for premium to discount, I kind of want to see NQ up at its 50% before it makes this move to take the Wednesday high.
Right.
Just that it's kind of hanging around in its discount area. To me, it makes it a bit more harder to find a trade. If that makes sense. I prefer if the assets are amongst both in a premium while a cracking correlation is happening. If it happens when one asset's up in its premium while the other's down in its discount, to us in Coley theory, it becomes a low probability SMT or day. But yeah, definitely YM and ES are definitely more in sync right now, bro.
Yeah, YM. I don't even think about YM when I trade, bro. RTY is my new YM.
It's been pretty good lately, especially with ES. I'll lie.
YM and well, really, it's just RTY.
Lately, YM's been pretty clean, bro. Ain't gonna lie. Definitely.
It better be. It spent half this year doing nothing.
Sorry?
I said YM better be clean now. It spent half the year doing absolutely nothing.
100%, right? Well, let's just look from Wednesday onwards. Wednesday onwards, it's actually been a bit more cleaner, you know what I mean? It hasn't been doing this chop on the hours Monday, right? And all of last week. Finally, you're just seeing proper displacement candles. Again, what I like to see. And the only issue is, right, it's kind of swapped bodies with NQ.
You're right, NQ, yeah. NASDAQ, yep, you're right.
And YM is starting to get cleaner. So
I guess that's just a part of the rhythm. It happens every year, seems like.
Nothing we can do.
True. But yo, knock this out, bro. I'm about to jump on my stream and try to hype this.
Yeah, straight us.
And try to, like your boy said, let's start making that GTA money, that vacation money. It's almost vacation time, bro. So I need a few extra bucks. No, I haven't, but I definitely am going to.
Oh man, all of Club FPF got 2.6K.
Yeah. Well, good chat, man. Yeah, guys. Code FPF. If you guys are gonna get some accounts for the holiday, there's gonna be discounts. Use code FPF and be safe out there, guys.
4th of July discounts. Get to it.
No over trading. We are too good for that, right? Let's go. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking for shorts or longs depending on where this 10 a.m. opens, and good luck today, guys.
All right, Rod. Take care. Alrighty. Let's get into a bit of a lower time frame here. See what the hell's actually going on. When my charts start loading up its indicator, will be nice. 303, bro. Come on now. I want to check my definitely more in sync intraday price action. Yeah, much more in sync for intraday PA. Shout out to the 4 people watching. Let me guess, Jacob, Savers, Abu. Who else? When all-time high? Never. Never in this world. Bruh. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, it's like we're trading different assets. Like, I mean, I know they're different, but total opposite. This is like DXY and Euro USD right now. That's wild. So on the 1 minute time frame, definitely nothing's in sync. 15-minute, kind of not. So I guess we'll just stay on the 15-minute for now until something actually happens. Fourth of July discounts. Make sure you're copying accounts because we need to do more giveaways, and the only way to is from your support. I guess being a Thursday NFP rare sort of day too. When was the last time NFP was on a Thursday? Does anyone know? The previous one? Okay. Yeah. All right. And how was that day, Jacob? I don't remember it. I do not remember it. There we go. Taking a daily high. Yeah, that's what I was thinking for this day as well. Like, it may throw you a trade, or it just may not. Goddamn. Yes. The one thing about this, though, right now, what I don't like is basically, well, actually, if I think about it, ES is probably as strong as YM right now. That's a bit weird. The only thing I can think of is NQ being the weaker asset and maybe the leader, but that's only hope. YM shouldn't be that strong. Go back to being the middle asset. On the minute time frame, looks like you're legitimately on total opposite assets. It's crazy. See what we get. To the side. gap. No gap there. I was waiting for it to sort of create some sort of gap, something. But nope. Just a consolidative open. Hey man, new song. Not bad. I was actually looking at gold today. It's moving pretty wildly. The upside. Very nice NFP candle. Hella crazy. GC, it's good, man. It's just I haven't gotten into trading it too much. But it's quite interesting how it moves. I mean, very volatile. I do like it. Just not experienced enough with it as I am with the indices. Oh yeah, eval passer. You gotta promote that, man. Apex FPF 90% off. Trade gold. Gold will let you pass that account. Yeah, basically. Pass it on gold, blow it on NQ. Bro, full port silver. Full port silver. You'll start off with like negative 400, but full port it. See what happens. The monthly high over here, or weekly candle high. We'll let it do its thing. Yeah, bro. Silver's crazy to try and full port. But when it goes, man. You just need the 2 ticks in your past. 3 ticks in your past. Oh, 3 ticks in your account. How's the trading week been? FPF, you been trading? Crude oil, man. I haven't looked at that in a minute. But I hope it's doing well. And it'll magically change. Bang. Ho, CL, and RB. Oh, okay. It's doing a bit of a NQ thing in reverse. So, yeah, no. Hell no. Not. It ain't looking like it, but I would be bullish. I'd be bullish. Based on an insider, I know. There's an insider, I know. His name starts with J. It ends with 3. And he mentioned a line here with an I. So, yep. Insider trading. J, ending with a 3, has told me. Coming up to here. Or up to there. I don't know. Take profits along the way. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. I wasn't talking about you, Jacob. What do you mean? You're not an insider. Oh, wait. Are you? Yeah, it's the other Jacob. It's trades, Jacob. Come on. You're no good, J3. You're no good. You're a horrible trader. You're a shocker. Just exposed himself. That's great. Seriously awesome. Okay, we've got a 5-minute TBD here. Minute reversion level. We'll see if this holds. It's minute reversion level just over here. Aiming for some liquidity down here. At least the first stage of accumulation just over here. Yep, that's who you heard it from. T Trades, the trend line beast, the beast of the trend line. Not gonna hold. There your YM goes, working its way down. Just this asset here, being a bit of a pain. As it does, it's NQ thing. That's what NQ does best. Follow YM now, NQ. Stop following yourself. But it would probably just follow itself. That's what it does. NQ is just a very strange asset, but it's all you can think or do is nothing. Just watch YM become the cleanest asset after weeks that it was disgusting. Follow within NQ. Follow within. Follow within your brothers. Stop being the pain. NQ, the disappointment child, as we call it. Yep, NQ ain't it this time. Horrible PA, but it's all good. All is good, guys. This is what NQ wants to do. It's what it wants to do. At the end of the day, the triad has become a bit stupid. You may as well just trade the assets alone. Basically, no point trading them together. Anyway, guys, I'm off. This PA is not for me. So I'll see you guys next week. Use code FPF. Shit PA to end the week. All right. Take care.